paint it. So it's just like one DIY garment. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Also, if you are interested to see such videos, let me know that as well, so I can experiment on a lot of my clothes that I have. And yeah, let's get started. Few things that you will need is some fabric colors, a pencil, some brushes, a bowl, cardboard or drawing board, or you can even use newspaper to put it inside your old jeans, and this is the old jeans. Okay, first you're gonna draw a pattern that you want to create on your jeans. Like for example, I want this dripping pattern on my back pocket, so I'm gonna do that. So I have just like roughly drawn, if you can see this and this. So I'll color this and I'll color this. You can choose any pattern, like there's this checks pattern which is also really popular. And then I've just inserted a cardboard in my pocket, so aage nahi chape when I paint. I have a bowl of water. Now I'm just gonna take my paintbrush and color it.
The clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do? What do I do? Lucky me, it was only a dream within a dream. It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was haunting me. The last bite, the last memory of our last night, as I watched you walk away from me. How could I let you leave? How could I let you leave? What do I do? What do I do? Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare. The sun was peeking its head into the room. Border collie sleeping.
This is the final product. Now once let it dry, and then we'll see what changes we can make. Also, here's the look of the jeans. This is how my jeans looks. I've started with a belt and a white shirt. Let me know how do you like this look. And yeah, bye until next time.
I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do?